Local decision making will lead to the self-determination of communities in regards to services and programs. But more broadly than this is an opportunity for community and government partnerships for shared responsibility of service delivery. Things might include housing, education, economic development or land and sea management, depending on community priorities. Local decision making acknowledges that although government might have the best intentions, we don't always get it right. This is about getting the best solutions using a place-based approach, that is, local solutions for local issues.